Shisngi hadian balapan mi yaka kubor halor ka jingjallay ki Runar ki Thok ya ki priyo ban bay pisa lingba ki apps bat ka scheme bay tingkal ni ka Ponzi scam ha ka khat nyaw tare unay lor araja arpusaw la yo jing teb ba Ngut ki Runar ki balay le yakum ki te ki kam Thok ki la syakam no ha ki pulet bat ka jing toket kadang ya chakman. Haba ajing pensay bakum no ki priyo ki syak ngop hakum kini ki kam Thok upan Kach Kumar Rasghania IPS Superintendent of Police ka Sadar Police Station ubaday pedru ya ka cyber wing ulaong bakini ki Snar tu pisa kila pon lapa palat san po Ngut ki priyo ulaong bahaba pensyong nong rem kat kum ka jing toket bala yoklum kadai ka kam Thok ha Meghalaya kam don ksai AA bat ka jala asam hadu benta wat la ka cyber wing kadang beteng ya ka jing toket.
So far, 2 people have been arrested, and there are more than 50 people who have been served notices, and the investigation is going on. So far, based on our investigation, we have not found any links. However, we are investigating. So there are a lot of types of cyber frauds that are going around. One is digital arrest. So in this kind of scam, the scammers establish contact with the victim, and they send them one arrest order or warrant of arrest from some esteemed organization like CBI, ED, IB, and they said that you have accessed some unlawful content over internet, and because of that we have registered a case against you which is going on in Supreme Court, and we are placing you under digital arrest. Thereafter they say that in order to verify all the details about you, we need your money to be transferred to a separate secure account, and then we will verify. So based on this pretext, they convince the victim to transfer their money into their account, and after that it goes on, and after some time they just stop the communication and all the money is gone. Then there is a courier scams. So in that kind of scams you get a call that there's a courier in your name and which was intercepted by the legal authorities, maybe customs or police, and it was found that there are some illegal substances in it. It could be drugs, it could be weapons, it could be some other prohibited items. Then they say that it is in your name, and now a case is being registered in your name, and if you want to get over the case, then they'll give you contact of some police officer who is also a fraudster impersonating as a police officer, and then they ask money for dropping the case, and the victims, they give the money because they are innocent, so they are scared, so they give the money, and after that they stop the communication.
Ulaong baki pulet ka Meghalaya kidang wat banyak ru sakiway pat ki kam Thok ka baki Runar ki pinbiet ya ki brief kata link ba ka WhatsApp lani ki kinja apps ki bala tip kum ki online scammer ha ka ktin nongway. Link ba ka online scammer ki Runar ki Snar ya ki WhatsApp account bo Thok bat ki kam ya la dia kum ki nong san partai ne ki politician ki nong elam ki he pulet ki he officer ka sarkar ban pa ban pon ya ki brief. Ki don ru ki khap baki Runar ki berngam lani ki blackmail ya ki brief link ba ki WhatsApp video call ban dawa pisa. Ulaong badang ha kasngi sa jan way ubrio bana Garo Hills ula sya Thok hadu khat nyo hajar tingka hak bau Runar ula kamyal de daga kerteng unoyelam san perthai hakate kathan.
In WhatsApp impersonation, the fraudsters, they impersonate as very well-known leaders. It could be political leaders, it could be public officials like DGP, and it could be any other person who is well-known, or it could be your friends as well, where they ask money that okay, I am in a need, I'm in a meeting and I need this money urgently. So they ask for money, and once they get the money, they will completely stop all the communication. Then there are new kinds of frauds which are coming up based on UPI. So all these transactions in the other frauds as well, they happen over UPI. However, a new scam has started where the scamsters, they bombard you with lot of QR codes and UPI IDs asking for payment. So it may happen that you have ordered something online and you may come across this kind of spam messages asking money, and you accidentally pay them. So this is just kind of a phishing, but it has started. Then there is another kind of scams which is called sextortion. So in this, the scamster, they will establish contact with you either through dating apps or through WhatsApp, and they'll force you to do intimate video calls, and once you do the video calls, and they will record everything, and then they will start blackmailing you and extort money from you. So similar thing goes on with dating application scams also, where you may meet fraudsters on dating applications. So after chatting for a long time, then they may ask you money that okay, they are sending you some gift and which has been intercepted by customs, or for their travels or whatever, they'll make some excuse for getting money from you. And if not, then they may also take the route of sextortion, where they will record very intimate videos of you. Then another type of scam is the investment scam, where a lot of fraudulent investment applications are floating around on the internet. And these kind of applications, they are not available on Play Store. They will ask you to download APK from shady websites. Once you download these applications, then they establish communication. They will ask you to invest in that application. They'll ask you to tell other people to get on board on these applications, and initially you may get good profit. They'll promise you maybe 10% every month or more than that. So all these kinds of high return applications, so they are generally fraud. And similar to this, there are frauds of loan apps as well. So just like there are investment applications, there are loan applications. So they offer you very easy loans on the click of a button, and very easy terms, no contact, no KYC, and the interest rate is also very low. However, once you get the loan, so you'll get the money, but even after you repay, so it will not be reflected in the application, and then they will keep on calling you and they will keep on demanding money from you. And if you don't pay the money, then they will say, okay, we are going to file a police complaint, and then again they'll keep on extracting money from the victim. These kind of scams, they are happening only via WhatsApp or calls. So they happen across the states. So we don't have any recovery or any kind of arrest in these cases in Meghalaya. But certainly people have paid some money, and because of the awareness, some people, they flag it to us before they pay the money. Yes, there are a lot of reports that we have got that in the name of political leaders of Meghalaya, even officials of Meghalaya, people have impersonated and obtained money based on that. So to all the viewers, I would suggest that if you get such kind of WhatsApp messages, you kindly verify with the original number of that person if you know them personally. And if you don't know, you should first check on Truecaller whether that number actually belongs to that person or not. And still, if you are not sure, you can contact us and we can verify the number details for you. The victim, they report on 1930 and National Cyber Crime Reporting Portal, cybercrime.gov.in. It is possible for us to block the money, and through proper investigation we can recover the money as well.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.